Your parents are there to help you and support you until you're 18. But once you're 18, fair value gap that we tapped into yesterday, and we had that huge reaction. And above it, like you guys can see, we have 85 people live right now. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's been a while since I've been in a trade, so I'm a little shaky of it. And I came back into the markets just to back test what was going on. And I want to show you guys right here is the trade that we took today. Like you guys can see, we had this daily high that we. Good morning, LH family. Man, it's so freaking cold out here that my board shingles on the deck, every time I step on it, it's like they're cracking in half. But I hope everybody has a great start to their morning today. I hope that today you do something productive, and I hope that you do something to build your dream life. Remember, in this world, we only have you and you. You have your parents, you have friends, you have all of this, but they're worried about making their life. They're worried about building their dream. So you have to be worried about building yours, because nobody else can. Your parents are there to help you and support you until you're 18. But once you're 18, you got to find something to do. My name is Lester Hernandez. I am a 17-year-old self-made entrepreneur. I am a full-time content creator. I am a full-time day trader, and I also own a window cleaning company that's residential and commercial on the side. If you're on your journey to either of those three, follow me, because what I am doing is what successful people are already doing. And if it's working for them and it's working for me, give me 100 reasons why it wouldn't work for you. Today, it is Thursday, January 23rd. And what do we have going on today? Today, we have Donald Trump speaking. And what do I think is going to happen? It happens at 11 a.m. That's when my trading zone is done. But I just think that the market will be either very trendy, or it will give us little to no volume. And it is okay. I get it. I get annoyed. It happens. But like I tell you guys, if I wait for that perfect trade, if I'm patient, and if I'm disciplined enough, the perfect trade is worth waiting for. Just like that perfect girl is worth waiting for, it's just the same way with the trade. Let's stop the yapping. Let me go ahead and show you guys my computer and what I have in my charts so we can destroy the markets today. What's up, team? So far I have all my levels and confluences marked out. And what am I trying to see today on US30? Like you can see on US30, we have this 2-hour fair value gap that we tapped into yesterday, and we had that huge reaction. And above it, we have this liquidity zone. What I want us to do is to come down and take out this liquidity zone and possibly tap into that fair value gap. That way we can get an entry right there, just like yesterday. And on MNQ, we really don't have much. MNQ has small candles and it doesn't really have any zones. So all I'm pretty much waiting for is to tap into this daily if I want to take a trade. But other than that, the market has been very bullish trend lately. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to catch a buy position. Why? Because if we're going up, I want to go with the trend, trade with the trend, and not trade against the trade. Whenever I have something for you guys, I promise you guys will be the first ones to know. What's up, everybody? So we are officially on the call with the VIP Trading Network group. Like you guys can see, we have 85 people live right now. And all I wanted to come out here for is to tell you guys that just be patient, be disciplined. If you see something that pops up that interests you, make sure that you wait for every single confirmation. You don't need to trade every single day. If you have that mindset of taking a trade every single day, you best be sure you better take A+ setups, because like I told you before, every single trade has an effect. If you have a great effect, it'll be good. But if you trade every single day and you don't know what you're doing and you're not profitable and you aren't confident with your strategy, all you're going to do for yourself is put yourself in drawdown, get yourself unmotivated, and push yourself out the race. Be patient, let the plays come to you, and you don't come to the plays. People who are patient end up getting paid. Why? Because it's in the word patience. Be patient. What's up, team? So like you guys can see, we just got tapped into our trade. Reason I took this trade is we took out this daily high. We made this 5-minute fair value gap. No, it wasn't a 5-minute, it was a 1-minute. And then we entered it, and then we had that great reaction, and now we're in it, and we're in the trade. Whenever we hit either stop loss or take profit, you guys will be the first ones to know. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's been a while since I've been in a trade, so I'm a little shaky of it. But emotions are emotions. All we are here to do is accept the risk we're in and accept that we have our stop loss and our take profit. Like I told you guys, when I have something happen, I'm gonna let y'all know, but for right now, stay tuned. What's up, team? I wanted to go ahead and update you guys on that trade that we took. So like you guys can see, we entered on this candle over here, which was like 9:30, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me go back and check. It was 9:54 actually. We entered at 9:54, and then we had that push down, and then we were in this area. And I'm gonna bring you guys closer so I can show you guys. If you can see, I did not like this reaction we had over here, because after we had that reaction, we just started pushing up, going higher, and we can see this other reaction we had. I did not like both of those. So what I did is I let the market come down. Once we were in profits, I put my stop loss at break even, because it is almost 11. And if you know what's going on at 11, Donald Trump is speaking. That can make the market go either way. And like I tell you guys, I would rather have a break even day than have to tell you guys I took a loss. Like you guys can see, we got stopped out. Once we came down, this candle went into that area, stopped us out, and now we're down here. And now we're coming back into this fair value gap. We might just go to where I said we were, but we might not. Whatever happens, happens. I don't care what happens. I just wanted to show you guys that from experience and from discipline, I would rather just let the market do whatever it wants than to have the market come down a little bit and then just stop me out. You know, it's almost 11. I want to be safe, and you should be safe too. What's up, team? So I'm all done with school and pretty much trading, and I came back into the markets just to back test what was going on. And I want to show you guys how having market experience and being disciplined and learning how not to have any FOMO can help you in the markets. Today I took a trade. I took a short position. I was risking a total of, I'm pretty sure, $275 to make $600, and I put my stop loss at break even after a while, because there was an area that I was not liking the reaction in. So I put it on at break even once we were in profit, and that decision saved me from losing $275 today. Let me go ahead and show you guys my charts and what I mean by this. Right here is the trade that we took today. Like you guys can see, we had this daily high that we took out. After we took out that high, we had that push down, and this was the candle that creates my change in state. Why? Because this is my last up candle before we are going down. So this is my change of state. We break it right here. We have this 5-minute reaction that closes under equilibrium. So what I wait is for the next candle to form. So this candle is the one that I ended up entering on. And like you guys can see, we had this strong push right there, but we came back down. Then we came back down into some profits, but I did not like the way that this candle closed. It was a doji, but that's a bullish doji, and I don't like that. And then we had this other candle right here that I completely did not like that, because it's just in indecision. It does not know where it wants to go. And then we had this bullish candle that formed upwards, and then we had a candle that closed like that. I did not like none of those reactions. So what did I do? Once we came back down over here into profits, I put my stop loss at break even, and like you guys can see, I was in a little bit of profit. But then there was a candle that formed right here that stopped me out, and then the market went down for a little bit, but then the market just started shooting up. And like you guys can see, it would have been a 279 loss, but I completely traded in the wrong direction of where the market wanted to go. And that is how being disciplined and having no FOMO and just understanding that the market is going to do whatever it wants to. You are here to react to what the market gives you, not what you want the market to give you, you know? I could have easily stayed in that trade and accepted the risk, because that's what we're supposed to do. But I have 5 candles in the 5-minute time frame, which is 25 minutes. 25 minutes of my trade being rejected off of one area that was bullish. When I'm taking a short, do I really want to be in that trade? You know, I'm the type of people that once I enter a trade, I accept my risk, set my stop loss, set my take profits, and I just let the trade do whatever it wants, you know. But if I have those things happening in front of me, I know the market experience that I have. It's almost 3 years and a half, bro. Right now in March of 2025, it's going to be 4 years of me trading. I've seen this stuff happen. I've been in so many trades that I have said, okay, let me accept the risk and not touch this. And I have gotten stopped out. But guess what? I journaled those trades, and guess what I did? I learned from my mistakes. Be disciplined, and just be disciplined, bro. Let the market do whatever it wants. There's another day for you to come back, and guess what? If you spend your money on dumb trades, you won't have any money, bro. What up, team? So, this is where the vlog is going to be coming to an end. I'm already done with my school. I'm done with my back testing, and I'm all done pretty much for the day. It's almost 7:30. I think it's pretty much 8, I think, already. But I'm not going to do nothing else but get ready for the night, go hang out with my family, and get ready for bed, man. You know, it's the same thing every single day. That's why, you know, it becomes a habit. If you do the same thing every single day, it becomes a habit. You know, when I first started recording these videos, the first couple of days, the first week, I'm gonna be honest with you, it felt like a hassle. It felt like something I didn't want to do. But now it's like, how do I even go with my day without recording a clip? You know, it doesn't feel normal. When I first started that first week, I was like, man, I gotta record this shit. But now it's normal. You know, I wake up, I go walk my dogs out, my phone's in my hand over to recording them walking. You know, as soon as I come back in, take a shower, I'm already outside recording my good morning video. You know, it's something that it turns into something that if you don't do it, you don't feel right. Just like when you miss the gym for one day after you're going for a while, it don't feel right, you know. But I hope you did something to become better. I hope you did something to reach your goals, because like I tell you, no one else is going to help you reach your goals but yourself, brother. God bless you all, and have a great night. I'll see y'all tomorrow.